D2L enables the addition of audio messages at various places within the course. This tutorial demonstrates how to add a short audio message to the home page in the News tool to welcome students. This can be used to introduce yourself, welcome the students, and provide the purpose of the course. From the home page for the course, in the News tool, click the down arrow to the right of News and select New News Item from the drop-down menu. Give the headline a title, for example, Welcome Audio. In the Content text area, type in a short content message, which is required. Scroll down to Attachments and click Record Audio. Click on Record Audio and New Recording. Speak your audio welcome and click Stop Recording when you are done. Listen to the message to do a quality check, re-recording if needed. Click Add when the message is as you wish. Provide a title for the audio and click Add. Click Publish. Click on Home. And you now see your welcome audio with your recorded message.